she is. I don't think the introduction sometimes becomes lesser than what you actually feel for the person, for the actor. And in this case, in my career, I meet a lot of actors, I've worked with a lot of actors, but I think the kind of brilliance that you bring in is fantastic. I think it's superb.
Thank you.
I love your choice of roles that you've taken. That shows your courage as a person. Your journey I've already captured in my earlier show that we did together. These are all people who were before they came here, who were like, now they look like actors at least. We have the youngest student here.
Wow,
yes.
You're a student.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's great.
And so I think इनके बारे में आपको सब पता है. मेरे जज्बात as we continue talking आपको पता लग जाएंगे. Thank you for my media friends who've come to cover this, because through you people we can take this knowledge that we are about to get from Vidya today. नाम भी अच्छा चुना इन्होंने. अच्छा रहा हमारे लिए. So these are very this is their 6th or 7th week, I think, and it's a 12-week course, and they have some of them have some idea of acting, some of them don't know what they want to come learn here. What is it that, how do you define acting, not necessarily in a very technical manner, but when the word acting comes to your mind, what do you think you need to do?
Firstly, can I say something? I'm a little nervous about giving these answers in front of him.
No.
You know, मैं यहाँ बैठ के आपको फट्टे दे देती हूँ अगर ये ना होते अभी. I'll have to be careful about what I say, but I'm very happy to be here. Firstly, because when I was, I had dreams of becoming an actor. There was no acting school. There was just the NSD, and there were some others which I didn't feel very sure about. But I know that if an actor prepares existed at that time, I would have definitely enrolled. Anupam Ji is someone that I hugely admire. I think he can make anything look believable. I've always been in awe of his performances, and I'm thrilled that you've invited me here. So thank you, Anupam Ji.
Thank you. We are very happy. In fact, all of us are very happy. Today what's going to happen, apart from our conversation, I am going to feel embarrassed by you praising me, and you are going to feel proud by me praising you. So we'll
yes,
go
but I
through
look forward to feeling proud.
Of course. I'll keep saying that wonderful things about you. But genuinely, I think it's बहुत सारे stars बहुत सारे हैं, actors बहुत कम लोग हैं. हमारे from 1913 फर्स्ट फिल्म बनी थी, और अब हम 2017 में हैं. So it's almost more than 105 years. 104 years. 104 years में कम से कम कुछ नहीं तो 60, 70, 80 हज़ार एक्टर्स आए होंगे और गए होंगे जिन्होंने पिक्चरों में काम किया होगा. मगर जब आप पिक्चरों के एक्टर्स को याद करते हैं 105 years में, आप उंगली पर 10-15 लोग गिना सकते हैं. That is because the kind of choices they made, the kind of work they did. Number of films या number of stars से कोई फायदा नहीं. So if we can count her name, and in some cases my name, in those 15-20 names, I think that's a great achievement, and we feel honored because of that. तो मैं शुरुआत में हमसे हमेशा इनसे पहली क्लास में हमेशा पूछता हूँ कि आपके लिए जब मैं एक्टिंग वर्ड बोलता हूँ तो एक्टिंग की परिभाषा क्या है. तो ये लोग अपनी अपनी चीज़ें बोलते हैं, जो भी इनको लगता है कि एक इंटेलिजेंट आंसर इस तरह का होगा कि जो जज्बात अंदर होते हैं वो लोगों तक दिखा सकें. सो व्हाट इज़ योर, इफ़ यू हैव टू डिफाइन, नॉट नेसेसरली टू, it's you can say it in 15 words, 15 sentences.
I think my understanding of acting has changed and evolved over the years. Today I feel that anything that I say or do or don't say or do, but I'm able to convince you about, is what acting is all about.
Fantastic.
So I could be giving a performance right now. I could be the real me. Sorry, I'm not, maybe I'm trying to look for the right words.
Yeah, that's what the
yeah.
magic of this conversation is.
So I just think when I am being someone I'm not. Now, you may or may not know me, so you don't know who I am. So which is why I'm saying this could be the real me, this could be a performance. But as long as you believe that this is this person, as long as I'm able to make you believe that I am that person, that is what acting is all about. So I know that, there are various, but most importantly, I think it's about feeling what you're saying or doing.
Feeling yourself as an actor.
Yeah, no, feeling that moment. That I think that's what when I'm also, I think it's very important for an actor to be accepting of oneself, the way he or she is, so that I'm able to forget myself and be that other person. There will always be some part of you because we're human beings, but when you embrace that other person entirely, that's what acting is about. When you allow that other person to seep into you, or most simply, I think when I'm able to convince you that I'm the person you're seeing.
Correct. I think that's what is. Now you can be feeling as an actor, you can be feeling anything. I am not interested. मैं हमेशा इनको कहता हूँ कि acting is about doing, not about thinking. आप सोच सकते हैं कि मेरे मन में तो बहुत सारे जज्बात जाग रहे हैं, मैं परेशान हूँ. Is the AC? Can you put this AC on and sort of so that this AC is not also on, that also is not AC on. Please, can you just not make it so? So आप कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं. There are so many ways, philosophies about acting, that method acting and alienation theory and Grotowski theory. I think ये theories तब आई थी जब उस देश में एक पर्टिकुलर किस्म का माहौल था. जब स्टैनिस्लावस्की की theory of method acting आई थी, स्टैनिस्लावस्की ने जब early 50s में इसके बारे में किया तो वहाँ पर एक माहौल था, रशियन रेवोल्यूशन चल रहा था. फिर ग्रोटोस्की को लगा कि बॉडी जो है वो इस्तेमाल करनी चाहिए, आप पेड़ बन जाओ या मछली बन जाओ, ऐसा. और ब्रेख्ट जो थे वो जर्मन प्ले राइट थे, वो कहते थे एलियनेशन होना चाहिए. एक्टर को पता होना चाहिए कि मैं अनुपम खेर हूँ, मैं विद्या बालन हूँ और मैं डर्टी पिक्चर में इस कैरेक्टर की भूमिका निभा रही हूँ. तो वो उसको पता होना चाहिए. विच आई पर्सनली एज एन एक्टर बिलीव इन दैट थियरी, because I never forget who I am.
Right.
And I am playing an old man, or I am playing a wicked guy, or I am playing that. So basically, do you agree on that?
Yeah, I think I agree on that, because that's what I was saying, that you can't, you can't forget yourself. But when you are so comfortable being yourself that you allow yourself to be that other person entirely. So when you, whether it's whatever the situation, when you see Saransh, you believe he is that old man who's lost his son. It's, what is that we say, suspension of disbelief. It's, that he's a young actor playing an old man, but not once when you're watching the film are you saying, oh wow, this is a young actor playing an old man. You believe he's the old man, and then later all that processing happens, that acha, so he's a younger actor who's playing an old man. It's, I think, to be able to believe, for you to be able to see me as that other person, I should be able to fully surrender to that moment, to that person, to that world.
Surrender, I think, is the most important word here. It's only when you surrender completely, you are able to create. कि मेरे कोई ना मानसिक तरह से मेरी कोई परेशानी है इसको कैरेक्टर को लेकर, या जो परेशानियां हैं उनसे मैं जूझ लेती हूँ या मैं जूझ लेता हूँ या उनको वर्कआउट कर लेता हूँ. शारीरिक रूप से तो बिल्कुल कोई इनहिबिशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो इन दैट प्रोसेस to become that character which you finally will be portraying, what is the preparation on an individual level do you go through?
I think firstly I like to read the script a few times to get a sense of, you know, when you're reading a script, from the way the person reacts to a certain situation that is in the script, in the story, you begin to form an idea of who that person is, how she is, how she thinks, maybe her social background, maybe her relationships with the people, different characters in the film, you know, what are her likes, what are her dislikes. You get a sense of all that. When you don't, then you begin to, you know, beyond the script, then I sit and once I've read the script a few times and I know exactly, I know the story. That's very important for me to know the graph of the character. And once I know the story, the script really well, and I don't sit, I just read it casually without putting in, बहुत मैं effort इसमें नहीं डालती कि अच्छा इसके बाद ये होता है फिर तो how, you know, some people talk about how the graph progresses. I'm using these words, but I don't really, I just read it casually पढ़ा छोड़ दिया casually, because I feel all that then begins to form in your head. Then I begin to get a sense of अच्छा, if she has reacted to him in the have you all seen the Dirty Picture? Yeah, so
everything.
Okay.
Everything.
So there's that scene where she goes up to Nasir Saab. She's been told off by Nasir Saab in the scene, who's this big superstar. It's her first break, and she goes and tells Nasir Saab, she says, you know, मैं आपके साथ tuning करने को तैयार हूँ. Basically that she's ready to do anything for a role. So you get a sense that, oh, this girl is a go-getter. You know, you arrive at traits, you arrive at qualities of the person, values of the person, and as you read more and more, you begin to form a person from the way the character reacts to situations. Then I say, acha, what do you think? What a girl like this comes from this sort of a background. If the background is not clearly stated, then I make up my own background, sitting with the director, sometimes the writer. I also like to embellish it with other details that are not there. You know, what is a character's favorite food, color, clothes? Does she like music? What kind of music does she like? Does she like films? Who's her favorite hero or heroine, or like basic things.
So you basically make the history of the character.
Yeah, background. Just qualify it with some details. And once I'm there, then slowly, I think it happens over a period of time, which is why I'm the kind of actor who, I don't have a method, but I think I've arrived at this over a period of time. So I sit with that, then I ask my director questions about why she's doing this, that or the other. And then slowly I think I begin to understand who this person is. I think that's where, and at some stage, sometimes I think of situations, just random situations, and I ask the director, if this had happened to her, how do you think she would have reacted? And I see if I'm getting closer to the writers or director's vision of that character. And that's really what the kind of, and if there are any skills to be learned, of course, maybe diction, or, you know, a dialect, maybe, I don't know, horse riding, maybe some skill, if it has to be learned, then I do.
बड़ी अच्छी किसी ने अभी recently में अंग्रेजी की कहावत है, acting is being naked and turning around slowly.
Wow.
You know, you're naked and you're turning around slowly. उससे ज़्यादा discomfort, awkward position क्या हो सकती है? So what is it that, like, let's elaborate on this, because social norms में सिखाया जाता है कि आपको etiquette होने चाहिए, माँ बाप सिखाते हैं ऐसे बैठना चाहिए, बेटा ऐसे खाना खाना चाहिए, आवाज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए. Then also their life, because they move around and they are also now on social media and things like that, they are told constantly that you people have to be proper.
Yeah.
कि गलत नहीं होना चाहिए कुछ. So how do you convince your mind to be able to make a fool of yourself? What do you tell your mind? Like Milind told you, have a clarity over here.
Yeah.
So how do you tell yourself it's okay to be a complete fool? How did you convince yourself?
I think that's what Anupamji, when that distinction between you and the character is clear, no?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, you are playing that character, but I'm saying I'm not Silk. I'm not Vidya Bagchi. I'm not any of the. I don't feel, therefore. How do I say this better?
No, I think the character decides what the actor needs to feel.
You know, for example, if she's from a different background, suppose she's from a village where you know, I don't know, in she's from a village in Kerala where they're a fish eating folk. They wear the women wear saris without blouses.
Yeah.
I can't then wonder if, you know, so it's this much and most of your body is bare below the knees and your arms, and you can't think ki, acha, this is not, what is a fashion fraternity going to say about this? Or, you know, when I put it up, for example, on Instagram, you know, are people going to think I'm not cool or something like that? My joy is when I'm able to get rid of all those inhibitions and be that other person. When you look at me, you don't see Vidya. That's what gives me a thrill, which is what I think is bigger than my concern for, you know, whether people are going to laugh at me or they're going to mock me, or my need to convince you of who I am is much bigger than my need to convince you of who I'm not.
Yeah, I think that's brilliant. That's brilliantly put. What makes you nervous as a person and as an actress?
First day of shoot. First day of shoot on any film.
Why are you nervous on the first day of the shoot?
Because वो पता नहीं कि, you know, वो of course readings होते हैं, वो आप preparation करते हो, सब कुछ लगता है कि आपने तैयारी कर लिया, पर in front of the camera, when I don't know how it works in theatre, I guess the first show or maybe every show. Yeah. But in front of the camera, I just feel like, you know, this is make or break. You have to get, वो कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि सुर पकड़ में आता है 1-2 दिनों में, but I just feel that whether I've understood that person or not, whether I've been able to personalize that person or not, I get to know on the first day, in the first few shots. वो फिर भी 2 दिन लगता है पूरी तरह से, you know, to feel that person in you. पर first few shots में वो अंदाज़ा लग जाता है कि, you know, okay, I understand this person enough to be able to tell you her story.
So is that a nervousness or is that anxiety?
I think there's anxiety, but there's nervousness also. I have butterflies in my stomach every time I go to a set. I feel like, oh my God,
so is
I
that
don't
because
know
of
acting.
Fear of failure?
No, I just feel like I don't know. I always feel कहीं बहुत लंबा गैप तो नहीं हो गया 2 फिल्मों के बीच में, भूल तो नहीं गई कि क्या करना है, you know. I am nervous. और अगर नाचना हो तो फिर तो, you know, इस तरह से पसीने छूटते हैं मेरे. So there are some things which make me really nervous, but I think most importantly, first day on a shoot, I always feel like camera switch on होने तक, वो first few shots होने तक लगता है कि मेरे से शायद ये नहीं होगा.
But are you in real life also, you get easily nervous about things?
I used to, not that much anymore. Over time I think with success there's a certain amount of confidence that you get.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you also stop, like, you know, I don't care too much about what anyone else thinks anymore. So I think therefore that takes away that nervousness. But as an actor,
In fact, you're one of the very, now that I'm talking to you, I suddenly realize that you're one of the very, very few actresses who did not fall in any trap, who had a clean, when I say clean, doesn't mean that other actresses are not clean or something like that, who had a very, who just wanted to act. No major issues, no major problems about life, no nothing, just working and working and working. Did not believe in putting pictures all over the place. Maybe even if 10 years back there was no such thing.
Right.
How did you remain, let me put it like this, controversy free?
I love what I do, Anupam ji, and I feel constantly blessed because from where I come, you know, I grew up in a suburb called Chembur. I'm sure you all have heard of the place, even if you all are not from Bombay. If you all haven't, very bad.
No, everybody knows Chembur.
But you know, I was brought up in a very...
My friend Anil Kapoor is from Chembur.
Yeah, of course. We could keep calling each other Chemburi.
Chemburi.
So there was a very protected environment. My parents, my sister and me. And you know, extended family, everyone stayed close by. My friends were there. जहाँ South Indians के lives में temples बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं. तो temple जाना. This was our idea of a Sunday, you know,
outing.
of fun also was पहले temple जाओ, उसके बाद beach जाओ. But temple was, so it was a very simple life. And I never actually knew what would happen. I wanted to be an actor from the time I was 11. I didn't know if I would actually get to be an actor. But you know, life just kept throwing opportunities at me. And I kept grabbing them and making the most of. I remember I used to go to FTI because I had friends who were studying at FTI. Friends as in people I had met in Mami. तो किसी ने देखा और कहा कि आप फिल्म करने चलोगे और मैं चली जाती थी. स्टूडेंट फिल्म 500 रुपए मिलते थे for your travel back and forth, and that's it. And you know, I used to go grabbed every opportunity because I was not a trained actor.
So I think that which we keep telling you, that you cannot follow a formula. इनका क्या है जो मुझे लगता है, I don't know their life, but I guess that their life is from 8:30 to 6 o'clock they are here. They think that their job is over. क्लास खत्म हो गई, एक्टिंग का एक कदम हमने पूरा कर लिया. उसके बाद कैफ़े कॉफ़ी डे में बैठना, पृथ्वी थिएटर में बैठना और बातचीत करना, सब कुछ करना और एक दूसरे को मैसेजेस भेजना, व्हाट्सएप, वो लाइफ है. Then slowly by second month they think that is more important than these classes are. कि ये तो चलती रहेंगी, भी 3 महीने का टाइम है, कर लेंगे. मगर अब जो मैंने दोस्ती किसी के साथ स्थापित की है, चाहे वो मोहब्बत के रूप में हो, चाहे वो दोस्ती के रूप में, वो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. एंड बाय द टाइम द थर्ड मंथ कम्स, स्पेशली द लास्ट 10 days are left, they suddenly feel the time has passed just like that. So I always tell them that loneliness sometimes is very important. Depression of just feeling frustrated is very important. Comfort can sometimes be a big problem, a mistake.
You know, and I was doing this ad film, Anupamji, years ago when I was doing ad films. And there was this, I was 19 and I had to play mother to an 8-year-old. And it was really bothering me. पर ये बहुत माने हुए directors हैं, Namita and Shubir, ad film directors, and I was getting an opportunity to work with them, and it was a good brand. It was everything, money was good. So I decided कि I'll do the ad film. I did it, and the story was very simple. It was about how this woman gets news that her husband is coming back from the army. So the wife and the son are very excited. The husband comes back. And they're all sitting to dinner. He's showing them the gifts he's brought, and suddenly there's a message on the radio calling all the army personnel back to the front. And you know, in that you get 30 seconds in an ad film, and while tuning the radio, suddenly ये message सुनाई देता है. They stop there, and then all their expression changes because you know 2 साल बाद आए हैं. And suddenly he's going to go back. हमसे ना मेल मॉडल से हो रहा था, ना मुझसे हो रहा था. And that time I remember Namita and Shubir telling me, they said, it's very important for an actor to be open to experiences. You know, don't just watch films because you want to act in films. Don't just watch television. Watch television, watch films, watch plays, read, listen to music, just watch the waves, watch people, because all those experiences enrich.
Watch life.
Yeah, watch life. It enriches an actor's life, because what you have to portray on screen you may not have experienced, but if you've heard about it from someone, or if you've read about it somewhere, or you've watched it somewhere, it will give you some kind of reference point from life. And that ad film changed my life completely. I started going to Mami, I started going to Prithvi, I started reading books, I watched films from all over the world. I love engaging with people, I love just watching people. I love getting to know their stories, because there's no better preparation for an actor than life itself.
Fantastic. But what is it? Yeah, आपका दिल किया ना थाली मारने का. Okay, we come to the last question as far as I'm concerned. Then we'll take one question, and then I want to show you something.
Yeah.
You have another 100 years of performance left in you, and you will be performing for many, many years.
Inshallah, thank you.
So, what is that one role now that you are? What is it? If you have to do a biography of somebody, which is that person you will be interested to do a biography of? Among the living people, from history, from politician, from anybody?
I think Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
Yeah, because she's such an enigma. And the fact that she was the first
Prime Minister.
woman Prime Minister.
And for 18 years, I think.
For 18 years, and exuded such power. As a woman, I think that's very inspiring for me.
Okay.
And the way she carried herself and courted controversy and was, but I think that story really fascinates me. And there are lots of other people, like there's Meena Kumari, who I'd love to play on screen.
Wow.
I think she really personified tragedy. And again, a very interesting life.
Correct.
Almost tragic, if I may say so, from things that I've read. MS Subbalakshmi, which I came very close to doing.
Yes.
पर वो फिल्म लीगल इश्यूज की वजह से बंद पड़ गई. तो वैसे बहुत हैं, और मुझे एक्चुअली डर्टी पिक्चर के बाद आई थिंक आई हैव बीन ऑफर्ड सम 12 बायोपिक्स.
Okay.
But I'm still looking for the right one to do.
And I will not ask you, because you're too young to be portrayed, which actress you would want to.
Thank you.
Yes, so I will not ask you that question. I want to share something with very interesting today. I think most of the question that the students were going to ask, I've asked you. Anything that you want to say, we can say that. But something very interesting that we did this morning. So we were thinking that the media is coming for the first time to our school. This new school,
Right.
They have come to the earlier building. We worked very hard for this school, for the 3 floors that we have.
And
We
it's
feel
a
very-
wonderful structure.
Yes.
I want to come here and do some improvs and all.
Thank you. Yeah, in fact, thank you. Vidya said inside in the office, she said she will want to do some workshops. Hopefully, if your batch is lucky, she will do it with you. Otherwise, some other batch will benefit out of it. So we said that what is the best way to tell the world that we have the most amazing, one of the most amazing schools in the world. We are called also the best 22 school, the most unique school for acting in the world by Canadian Television Network.
Oh wow!
Yeah, so that's, so how do you showcase this to the world? So these days this mannequin challenge is very very popular. So I said what we'll do is with more than 75 students, 10 teachers, 10 staff, 10 other administrative staff, we will do a mannequin challenge. And we've shot that. It took us about 3-4 hours to do that because kabhi camera band ho jata tha, kabhi lift nahi khul rahi thi.
Achha.
I think this is the most unique mannequin challenge from our country to the world of cinema, to the world of art, to our world of actor prepares.